Hello guys, this is Chuck Tutorial. Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to increase your YouTube video watch hours in short and fastest way with a safest method. Okay, there are different methods to increase your watch hour of this. I chose for you today viewsync.net. Okay, viewsync. So to do so, the first step will be go to your channel or any YouTube videos that you are going to view, increase the watch hour. For instance, mine is the Check Tutorial channel. It is my channel. For my videos, I will choose different videos. For instance, I can choose 12 minutes, 70 minutes, but it is better to choose the longest video. For instance, here I do have 34-minute video long, so I choose this one. So you better choose the longest one, because if you choose the longest one, then you'll get the longest, or you increase the watch hour of your channel easily. Yeah, but for today I chose this one, the first one. It has 40 minutes, so I right click it and copy the link. Okay,
https://www.that.
Then the next step, after you copy the shareable link of your video, the next step will be click on a new tab and search viewsync.net. Okay, viewsync, like this. So it will pop up a new window of Viewsync website. So this is how you get the correct viewsync.net. The first step will be adding your video. So please click on the plus icon here. Okay, plus icon here, then paste your link like this. So you can paste any number of things, but make sure that you have a strong internet connection to support all these video links. Okay, so for me it is enough to have 4 or 5. Okay, 4 or 5. So the next step will be, there is a testing audio. So how does it, the audio will be heard for the viewer. So the first one, so the next step will be to set the point at which it is the audio. For me, I will try to 20 seconds interval. For instance, let me start to 25 seconds. This one is 50 seconds. This one is 75 seconds. Yeah, 75 seconds. This one is 90 seconds. I think it's better. You can pick any second interval. Okay, it doesn't have any procedure. So the next step will be testing the audio.
የምንሰራውን ስራ ማለት ነው። እንግዲህ ብለን ከነ ፋይላቸው በቸክ ተመልካቾቻችን ኳሊቲው በጣም ሃይ ኳሊቲ ስኬል ማድረግ ግን እንዴት እንደሆነ ወርድ የሞባይል
So this is the audio, guys. So this cases the audio is correct. Then the next step will be for step 3. So click on the this. So when you click this one, give you what, a new site or link that your videos will be played as a one. Okay, so right click on it and copy. Start it. Okay, I will start it by clicking this and raising this. Okay, so already it started and video already starts. So be patient, but depends on your internet connection. So finally all are coming back, so I'll click on this one. So resume button. This is the final step. As you can see, it is already finished working. Okay guys, this is the final step after finishing playing 14 minutes and 5 seconds. It will show you as such. Okay, this is the final step. So we are so this is it. So one trick you need to know is that if you want to do again the same thing, you can't do on the same web browser, or you should to click on the web browser clearing history, and you should have to clear any type of history you have on this PC. Okay, like this, I will click anything, cache, image, cookies, anything. Okay, after that you can do the same way. Okay, that means before erasing, click it off, then click any history. Okay, click any history like this. So if you done the same way, alright friends, we are done. So this is it. If you have any comment or suggestions or any recommendation, you can give us on the comment tab below. Till the next video, bye bye.